Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sweet Star Candle YouTube channel, and today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite Christmas decorations for 2024. So first off, I'm going to start off with my Christmas tree. So my first ornament is a jellyfish. I got this from my grandma a few years ago. I don't think it's exactly an ornament, but I think it looks great on the tree regardless. You can kind of see the lights through it, which makes it look really cool and pretty. Next is a Lily of the Valley vintage ornament. I got this earlier this year when I was helping my dad clean out a garage. I can put the name that was on the box down below in the description if you're able to find it on eBay, but I couldn't find it just looking up Lily of the Valley ornaments. But I think this is my favorite ornament that's on the tree. I just love the whimsical kind of vibes that it gives off. It's just really cute. So next, these are some vintage bubble lights. These are my husband's favorite thing we have on the tree. And you can see them here bubbling. They kind of remind me of a lava lamp and just like a 90s Christmas vibe in general. So those were a really fun addition to our tree this year. Next is a Rudolph ornament set. These are actually from when I was a kid. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer was like one of my favorite Christmas movies, but my all-time favorite I would have to say is Christmas Story. Comment down below what is your favorite Christmas movie. Anyway, these are super cute. And they're just so little and tiny. They have like their own little area of the tree that they all like go together, so really cute. So moving on to the bottom of the tree, this is our Christmas tree base. This is brand new. Me and my husband went to Walmart like last week and we found this base and we just thought it was so cool. It looks really great and it wasn't very expensive either at Walmart, so definitely recommend if you don't have a Christmas tree base. Moving on to my other Christmas decor. So these are stockings this year. My husband bought these actually last year for us on sale at the Balsam Hill website right after Christmas, so they were on like a huge sale. This red one is my husband's and the white one is mine. And here is a wax melt that I think would be a great stocking stuffer. Speaking of wax melts, I'm giving away one of them as well as a candle over on my website. I'll have that giveaway info down below if you're interested. Now on to the next decor item. This Santa rock I actually got, it was my second craft show I ever did. Someone was selling them, so shout out to Cheryl and Amy over on Facebook. They sell painted rocks over there and they have a lot of really cute designs. I'll have them linked down below. I just thought it was so cute and it's going to be in my Christmas decor from now on. And finally, my favorite new decor item, this nativity scene. My husband and I also got this at Walmart. It actually lights up. You just put a battery in this little pack and it lights up. I think it looks really great over our fireplace and it just brightens up our living room perfectly. So thank you everyone for watching. Please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll have the links down below if I can find these decorations or something similar. And be sure to join the giveaway. I'm giving away a reindeer cookie candle and wax melt to someone, so be sure to check that out. I'll have the rules down below, and thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next Thursday.